show you this item. Have a closer look. You can see it's 3D printed. I picked this up from a shop in Guangzhou on my recent trip to China. And this is the bottom here. On this side, you can see there's something moving. I didn't print this. If I use my printer to print this, it will take forever. I found this quite interesting because of the sound. Let me show you this. So you can see it's like a magic wand. I thought it's useful when I do magic. I can make the wand appear from the handle. And the sound is made by the texture of the 3D printing. It doesn't use any electronic, but the sound is quite interesting. Let me make this again. Okay, maybe you can find the file on internet and print it yourself. I really love this. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.